I have a 12,000 BTU window unit. Model number DAC120EB3WDB serial number. I bought it in May or June 2020. It blew good cold air, but I started it back up and it won't blow cold. Blows whatever temperature is at that time. I clean coils and the compresses is running but won't blow cold. Everyone I talk to that works on AC units won't work on window units. Everything I read says this has a 2-year warranty. Can you tell me what's wrong with it or who will fix it?
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Danby DAC120EB3WDB. The air filter is clean.
How long has this been going on with your Danby air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
All summer. Cleaning coils, new SIR filter, air.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is. Will be happy to assist you today. I'm going to give you a checklist of things it could be. 1. If the air filter is clogged, air cannot flow properly through the air conditioner. This greatly reduces the cooling capacity of the air conditioner. In addition, if the air filter is clogged, the evaporator coils will frost over. To remove debris from the air filter, try cleaning the filter. If it is not possible to clean the air filter, replace it. 2. The condenser coils dissipate the heat as the refrigerant passes through the coils. If the condenser coils are dirty, they won't be able to dissipate the heat as effectively. As debris builds up on the coils, the air conditioner will become less efficient, causing the air conditioner to work harder to cool down. If the coils are significantly dirty, the air conditioner will not be able to maintain the proper temperature, and the compressor will run continuously in an attempt to cool the room. Check the condenser coils to determine if they are dirty. If the condenser coils are dirty, clean them. 3. The compressor might be defective. However, this is not usually the case. Before replacing the compressor, be sure to check more commonly defective components, particularly the overload protector and the compressor capacitor. If the compressor is defective, it should only be replaced by a licensed technician. 4. The thermostat monitors the temperature of the air. When the air temperature rises above a set point, the thermostat activates a switch to provide power to the fan and compressor. If the thermostat is defective, the thermostat may not cool properly. To determine if the thermostat is defective, set the air conditioner to cooling and then use a multimeter to test the thermostat for continuity. If the thermostat does not have continuity while the air conditioner is set to cooling, replace the therm. 5. The control board regulates the voltage to the compressor and the fan motor. If the control board fails, some components will not function properly or will not work at all. Control boards are often misdiagnosed. Make sure to check more commonly defective parts first before replacing the control board. 6. The main control board regulates the voltage to the compressor and the fan motor. If the main control board fails, some components will not function properly or will not work at all. Main control boards are often misdiagnosed. Make sure to check more commonly defective parts first before replacing the main control board. 7. If the temperature control board is defective, the fan motor and compressor will not get power. Control boards are often misdiagnosed. Make sure you check other air conditioner parts before replacing the temperature control board. If you are certain that all of the other components are working properly, replace the control board. 8. The temperature control thermostat is a sensor which monitors the temperature of the air and activates a switch to provide power to the fan and compressor when the air temperature drops below a set point. If the thermostat isn't working, the air conditioner will cool continuously or won't cool at all. To determine if the temperature control thermostat is defective, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the thermostat does not have continuity, replace it. 9. The thermistor is a sensor connected to the control board that detects the temperature of the air. The resistance value of the thermistor changes in conjunction with the air temperature. If the air temperature rises, the resistance value will decrease. To determine if the thermistor is at fault, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the thermistor does not have continuity, or if the resistance of the thermistor does not change with a change in temperature, replace the thermistor. 10. The run capacitor is connected to the compressor with electrical leads. If the run capacitor burns out, the compressor will not run. To determine if the run capacitor is burned out, test the capacitor using a multimeter. If the capacitor does not have continuity, replace it. If it's a simple fix, then it's worth doing. Most techs won't work on a window because it's easier to just replace it than repair it. You will most likely pay more to get it repaired than getting a new one. Most window unit.
I work first shift, that's why I was not up at midnight. The compressor is running, both fans are blowing. I cleaned the front and back coil, put a new air filter. The compressor runs but is not blowing cold.
That sounds that the system is low on charge then. Like.
That's what I thought. But it's 1 year old, would it not still be under warranty? Nobody works on them, so how do you get in touch with the company to get it fixed?
You can contact the manufacturer and give them your model and serial number, and they can see if it's still under warranty. Their number is follows 1 dash.
Okay, thank you.
You're more than welcome. Thanks for using JustAnswer. Have a good night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.